It's fire.
What's up, bitch? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning into this video. Did y'all see that intro? Who I think I'm is? So I'm not wasting no time, honey. I'm going right in on my eyelids with this Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C1. And I'm just taking this blending brush that I got for a motherfucking Zola at Walgreens to blend that out. And my trick to make my eyeshadows pop is to put like just a dab more concealer on top of what I've already blended out after it's dried for a couple minutes. So yeah, I think that concealer is like blended the fuck out enough.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So I'm not going to set that concealer, and I'm using my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette today. The first color I'm going to go in with is Madagascar, and I'm going to put that in my crease. The second color I'm using today is this pretty ass purple Jezebel. That's going to be like all over my lid, but I wasn't too focused on putting it like in the middle of my lid because I knew that I was going to go in with the blue shade later. So now I'm just packing that purple on. I don't know what kind of brush this is, bitch. I'm not good with knowing which brushes to use for what. I just be knowing what I want to do, and then I just pick the brush that I think will do what the fuck I want it to do. So since I did do my base already, which is my eyebrows, foundation, and concealer, I did put some more powder up underneath my eyes so that any eyeshadow that falls out on my big ass cheek will not mess up my fucking foundation, okay? Because I ain't got time for that. You know, y'all know I ain't got time for that shit. I'm going to spray my brush that I got for, you guessed it, $1 with some Fix Plus, and I'm going to use that with the shade Cleopatra and put that in the middle of my lid. I'm taking Jezebel and packing some more of that on the corners, not the corners, bitch, the edges of the Cleopatra shade. And this is a clean blending brush that I'm using to go over the edges of that as well. So now I'm about to start repeating all of my steps just so that I could build up the eyeshadow to the intensity that I want. Then I'm going to finesse it a little bit with some glitter. Now using the NYX glitter glue and some J-Cat's glitter in the color Bondi Black, I'm going to pack that on my lid right where I put the blue shade Cleopatra. I'm going to use a little bit of the glue at a time and a little bit of the glitter at a time, and I'm going to keep going back and forth until I have it packed on to the intensity that I want. But I don't want to get messy with this because I already have my base on. Glitter's on. Now I'm going to take the color Jezebel and stamp that on the edges of where I put the glitter at. Now I'm going to go in with the color Zuri and put that in my inner tear duct, kinda like an inner corner highlight. These lashes are by Miss Lash. I don't know the style, but I get them from the beauty supply store. And I like to take the back of my tweezers once I put my lash on and like kind of like stamp it on my lash line just so that I can like get it deep down up in there, because I'm not really a eyeliner type of person. Now I'm gonna stamp Cleopatra in my waterline because I don't have a pencil this color and I have the eyeshadow, so why not just use that, right? Using Jezebel on this, I don't know what type of brush. I'm going to sweep that on my lower lash line just to give me some color down here. You know what I'm saying? Just connect that top eyeshadow to my bottom lash line. And that's pretty much the look, you guys. Like, I went in with some powder contour, some highlight, and my favorite nude lipstick and gloss. And that is how I got this look, y'all. Like, who do I think I am? Like, bitch, do you want your nigga or no? Because he could be mine, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe!